How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat. You can use any device, but I recommend using a computer for easier navigation. Open your preferred web browser on your device. Now simply go to Google and search for Snapchat support. Click on the first result that appears. Once on the Snapchat support page, look for the Contact Us button and click it. You'll see several options for different issues. Check on the option that says, "I think my account has been compromised," and select it. You'll be directed to a form where you need to fill in your details. Enter your Snapchat username, email address, and phone number linked to your account. Below, there's a space to describe your issue. Clearly state that your account was locked, you haven't violated any Snapchat terms or used third-party apps, and request an account review. After filling out the form, double-check your information for accuracy, make sure everything is correct to avoid delays. Once all completed, click on Submit at the bottom. Then, a ticket is created about your issue. Further, you will receive an email about your ticket status from Snapchat. And that's it.